Hi, this is John from Next Crypto Prices. I'm back with another update. Today I want to refresh the count for Solana. It's been a while. I'm going to start on the daily time frame, take less than a minute to go over the correction we had since the top we formed in November 2021. We had an ABC to the downside in the form of a zigzag, 5 for A, 3 for B, and another 5 to the downside for C. The low came in at $8.02. And this marked the low of wave 2 cycle. Yeah. Now, from that point forward, price created a diagonal, a 1, 2, 3, 4, and the fifth wave that extended twice, once in the third leg and once in the fifth leg. And we had price make a top around 18th of March, I think. Yeah, 18th of March, 2024. And this marked a top of not a cycle wave 1, but a wave of a lower degree primary wave 1. Following that top, we had an ABC to the downside for wave W, wave X as a correction to the opposite direction, to the upside, and then another ABC to the downside for wave Y. This wave Y marked the bottom at exactly $110, marked the bottom of wave 2 primary. And then we had price make another diagonal for wave 1, 2, 3, 4. Actually, I should put my 1 here, more accurate. 1, 2, 3 for 1, 1, 2, 3 for 2. Yes, so 1, 2, 3, 4, and then extended again like we had previously, the fifth leg of this diagonal to mark a top at 264, give or take, early end of November 2024. Now this is where things get interesting, because this top that we marked end of November is actually a wave 1 intermediate. Okay, so it's a nesting of the larger wave 1 we had, wave 2, another wave 1 of a lower degree, and now we have another wave 1 of a lower degree. So it's essentially a 1-2-1-2 in this configuration. Now, what we had since end of November, price went to the downside and formed an A wave in a zigzag formation. So 5 to the downside for A, 3 for B up in the opposite direction, and then another 5 to the downside to complete this ABC. So it's a 5, 3, 5. Now, price went in the opposite direction in a corrective fashion for an A and a B and a C. Notice how price topped at 296, just short of the 138%. So this top marked the B, the top of B wave for the ABC correction that we expect following the top of wave 1 intermediate. Having a B wave top higher than the start of the A leg is an indication of a flat happening. Now, this flat is A, B, C, and the C leg is actually an impulse to the downside. Now, if you do count with me, there are some extensions. We have from the top, we have wave 1, wave 2, and then a lower degree, wave 1, 2, 3, 4. And then the fifth wave of this lower degree wave also extends. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of 3. Okay. And then 3 up for wave 4 as an ABC. And then we expect also wave 5 to probably extend given the last price action. So 1, 2, 3. Now, what we have since the 11th of March, it appears that price is making an ABC up, ABC down, ABC up. So it's possible that wave 4 has yet to be complete. You would have A, B, C for A, B, C for B, A, B, C for C. Perhaps wave 4 will take the shape of a triangle when it completes. But the point I want to highlight and why I think Solana is worth watching given where it is from a technical level. If you look at the channel I have drawn, it's a long one. It dates back to a year, actually a year, yeah. A year-long channel where the price level, so price level I have the lower extremity 25%, 50%, 75%, and 100%. Look at the price level, how they've been respected in the past when we had this WXY, and how they are being respected now also that price has come out of two consecutive deviation above the higher boundary and made an entry back into the channel, reached for the lower boundary of the channel here at 126. Now, the reason why I was saying Solana is worth watching is because price, with regards to the technical level, together combined with regards to the Elliott wave count, as well as divergence on the RSI, a lot of volume on the wave 3 count, price is very close to the invalidation, is very close to 110. And if my count is correct, then we should expect price to make another move to the downside. However, for this 1-2 correction or 1-2 structure to remain valid, indicative of further upside once the correction is complete, price must not break the 110 level. Yeah. So in other words, price must not break the start of wave 1. Now, it's very possible that this wave 4 completes perhaps in the shape of a triangle, or maybe it has, because it would be a ABC to the upside as a correction, wave 4 complete, and now 5 to the downside. So you would have a 1, 2. That's a possibility. Or we would have an ABC for A, ABC for B, ABC for C, ABC for D, ABC for E. In other words, a triangle forming for wave 4. So at the moment, it's impossible to say if wave 4 has complete. What is very possible, what is probable is that once wave 4 completes, we can expect wave 5 to make a move lower. There will not be much room left for wave 5 to go because it cannot break 110. We've seen many times that after many extensions within a C leg, the fifth wave comes truncated, meaning it fails to reach the low of wave 3 of the same degree. So it's very possible that once wave 4 completes, wave 5 will be shallow and short, stopping before 112. So that's my take on the counts. I would want to see volume diminish as wave 5 unfolds, and then a pickup of volume as wave 5 has completed. So getting long on this area, watching for wave 4 to complete and 5 to unfold, keeping in mind that it might be truncated, so it might be quick one, might not be a bad idea given that you have an invalidation. And the play would be to target, first would be to target the mid of the range at 159 and then the top of the range at 200. Yeah, that would be it for the short-term target. You could, of course, keep it much longer in the hope that, or in the trading plan that wave 3 will unfold and break the high of wave 1, but that's entirely up to you. As far as I'm concerned, I like the way it's set up now. I like the wave count. It does fit. Doesn't mean that it's accurate and guaranteed, but that could represent an excellent risk to reward ratio for the weeks to come. Okay. So that's it for the video. Hope you liked it. I'll speak to you soon. I'll keep watching Solana and update whenever there is a need to update the count. Thank you for watching and take care. Bye-bye.